You can create and print a wide selection of reports within Voyager. To do this, first click the Holdings tab. To create a report for your paper chart holdings, select Paper Charts. Then select the required status, the edition status, and the update status. You can then filter by the required folio. Click Export Report and choose either a CSV or PDF file format. A pop-up box will prompt you to select a location to save your report. Simply name it and then press Save. By following these steps, you can create reports for all the types of products that you have within your inventory. To create or print a correction report, first click on the Updates tab. Then select BA Paper Charts and select the required status. You can also filter by the required folio and select the period. Select the type of NTMs that you want to include and click Export Report, choosing either a CSV or PDF format. A pop-up box will prompt you to select a location to save your report. Simply name it and then press Save.